Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the markets so you can understand the latest moves and make informed decisions. Today, October 1st, 2024, we're diving into the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, to analyze recent market movements and identify key price levels to watch. First, let's look at the news and recent events that might be influencing the NZDUSD market. Recent Google searches for NZDUSD reveal a lot of interest in the pair's direction, with questions like, is the New Zealand dollar going up or down? And, is NZDUSD bullish or bearish? Being frequently asked. The news is buzzing with discussions about the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts, with investors closely watching Fed Chair Jerome Powell's statements for guidance. The US dollar index is holding near yearly lows, and the dollar's strength is influenced by several factors, including the Fed's monetary policy, the global economic outlook, and geopolitical tensions. Meanwhile, the New Zealand dollar is impacted by the contraction of the New Zealand economy in the second quarter. Now, let's delve into the chart data and see if we can identify any correlations between the news and recent events and the price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that the NZDUSD has been in a downtrend for the past few months, with the price consistently dropping. The recent drop in the US dollar index suggests that the US dollar is weakening, which should theoretically be bullish for the NZDUSD, but the Kiwi's weakness due to domestic economic factors seems to be overriding this. However, the recent Google search results suggest that traders are still interested in the NZDUSD and are seeking information about the pair's future direction. Let's zoom in on the last few weeks to see if we can spot any signs of a potential reversal. The NZDUSD has been trading within a range for the past few weeks, with the price fluctuating between 0.6100 and 0.6200. This range-bound trading suggests that the market is indecisive about the pair's future direction. We can see a few smaller, red candles, suggesting slight bearish pressure, but they're not strong enough to break through the support level at 0.6100. To get a better understanding of the current short-term trend, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart is showing a bit more volatility than the daily chart, with a few longer candles reflecting a slight bullish trend in recent days. The price has broken through the resistance level at 0.6200, and it's currently trading above 0.6250. This bullish momentum could continue, especially if the US dollar remains weak. However, it's important to remember that the NZDUSD is a volatile pair, so any bullish move could be quickly reversed. Let's zoom in on the last 24 hours to see if we can spot any signs of a potential reversal or breakout. The NZDUSD has been trading within a narrow range for the past 24 hours, with the price fluctuating between 0.6300 and 0.6350. We can see a few green candles, suggesting slight bullish pressure, but they're not strong enough to break through the resistance level at 0.6350. This range-bound trading suggests that the market is still indecisive about the pair's short-term direction. To get a clearer picture of the immediate market sentiment, let's move to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is showing even more volatility than the 1-hour chart, with a lot of smaller candles representing rapid price fluctuations. We can see that the price has been trading within a range for the past few hours, with the price fluctuating between 0.6340 and 0.6350. This suggests that the market is still trying to find a clear direction in the short term. It's important to keep an eye on the 15-minute chart to see how the price reacts to the latest news and events. Now, let's summarize the important price levels to watch and make some unbiased predictions about the pair's future direction. On the daily chart, the key support level to watch is 0.6100. If the NZDUSD breaks below this level, it could signal a continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if the NZDUSD breaks above the resistance level at 0.6250, it could signal a reversal of the downtrend. On the 1-hour chart, the resistance level to watch is 0.6350. If the NZDUSD breaks above this level, it could signal a continuation of the recent bullish momentum. However, if the NZDUSD falls below the support level at 0.6300, it could signal a reversal of the bullish momentum. Looking at the short term, the NZDUSD is likely to remain range-bound for the next few days. The price is fluctuating between 0.6340 and 0.6350, and it's not clear which direction it will break out of this range. The pair's direction will likely be influenced by the latest news and events, especially any changes in the Fed's monetary policy and the New Zealand economic data. In the long term, the NZDUSD's direction will depend on the relative strength of the New Zealand and U.S. economies. If the New Zealand economy starts to show signs of improvement, it could be bullish for the NZDUSD. On the other hand, if the U.S. economy continues to grow stronger, it could be bearish for the NZDUSD. Ultimately, the NZDUSD is a complex pair that is influenced by a variety of factors. By staying informed about the latest news and events, and by carefully analyzing the chart data, you can develop informed strategies for navigating this dynamic currency pair. Remember to always manage your risk and only trade what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching and happy trading!